Hi everyone, it's Linda from Linda's Loft. It's Linda from Linda's Loft. I just wanted to hop on really quick and say happy Tuesday. I've already been busy today. It's fun. I always tell my daughter I'm always busy on Tuesdays. I'm not even officially open, but I'm always here. I'm always doing stuff. And so when I'm here, I put my open signs out. It's been a really fun day. Um, Real quick, now yesterday I said the first person who commented on my next video, and this is my next video, is going to win my craft I did yesterday. And this is what it is. It's a USA 4th of July wreath for your front door or somewhere like that. So the first person that comments wins this. And it was really fun making. I did a little video on that yesterday. It was kind of a flop, and I just go off and then come back and make it right. But today, okay, I call them swags or garlands, but you know how I've been making these 4th of July, 4th of July. I've sold like 10 of them for Memorial Day, the red, white, and blue, and I was like, I'm tired to do a red, white, and blue. So, and I love the Pioneer Woman. I'm totally obsessed with her. And so I bought this Pioneer Woman fabric, and I love it. As a matter of fact, I have a toaster at home that is this exact print, and I love it. So, I want to do a Pioneer Woman swag, and but her fabric, it's kind of expensive, and so I just bought the one that was her brand, and then one of my friends was up one weekend, and she said, "Oh, I just saw a bunch of fabric at the thrift store," and I said, "Would you go get it for me? I'll give you the money." So she ran down there and got it, and what it was somebody had donated a ton of these. Now these sell for, I think, $3 each or something, and they're by Waverly, and I think quilters use them. It's not very much fabric on here. Oops, let me turn this off. It's like one big square. Renee Slay, hi. You're the first person. You're the winner. Did you see yesterday? Let me show you. The first person I see, you won this. So I'm doing giveaways. So the first person to comment on my video, my next video, and today's my next video. So you could put this on your door for 4th of July. So anyway, this is how it comes. These are the square size. And you can see they're not very big. I don't know the dimensions of it, but it's just not a very big piece of fabric. And it's certainly not enough to do a whole garland. So, because usually what I do is I pick 3 or 4 different prints and then I do them. I put them together. But since I bought the fabric of this one, this is going to be my main fabric. Where do you get them? Oh, they sell these at Walmart. But I got these at the thrift store in Arnold. Somebody had donated a whole bunch of them, and I got them for hecka cheap. So so I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different materials for this one. And I used to do these on twine, but it was so tiny, and it was kind of hard, and the fabric didn't want to slip on it. So I found this cording. You guys, I'm always looking for bargains and stuff like that. So, I just had it here. So this is 140 feet of this cording. And it comes, let's put it in this little thing here, I guess. I don't know. Anyway. This is the yellow. And then it also came in red. And it's just like, I used to use the white clothesline. I used to get it at the Dollar Tree. So this was $1.25 for 140 feet. I mean, that is the best deal around. So this you can get at the Dollar Tree. I got those in Sonora. This I bought at Walmart. The fabric from Pioneer Woman. And so what I do is I measure out, I always try to make my garlands, have a little loop here in the end, 6 feet. So I go, there's 3 feet, there's 6 feet, and then a little extra for the hanging, for the knots on the ends. So this is my start to it. You can see it. And I'm doing this one for summer. So this is a good summer everyday thing to put on your hearth or in your kitchen or somewhere. And the reason I have so many is because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these are the little squares. So this is how many strips you get out of one square, which is quite a lot. But it's not enough to do a 6-foot garland. So that's why I have so many different patterns to choose from. Does that make sense? Anyway, so this is how I do. I just lay this down here in front of me. And I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm going to come back on later and show you once it's been completed. But I put my Pioneer fabric on here. And then I'm going to put, I'm just randomly doing it. I'm not doing a specific pattern. Hi, Victoria. I'm so excited you caught me. So I'm doing the white, and you just tie a knot. Let's do pink on here. So I just tie a knot with the color out. Like that. Slide it down. Okay? Here's a white with yellow. Tie a knot. Put this up here so you can see. Slide it down. And here's the Pioneer Woman fabric. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to build up my YouTube channel and my followers on YouTube. Right now I only have 14. And so I'm trying to get to 1,000. I know it's a long way to go. I can't wait for you to come to Arnold either. I'm so excited. So my friend Victoria, who's watching, she moved to Oregon. And I used to work with her way back in the day. And we became good friends. So we've stayed friends all these years. We drifted apart for a minute, but we've stayed friends. And she's coming to Arnold with her husband. So I get to meet him. And I'm so excited. I haven't seen her for, well, I don't know. I didn't think we should say how many years. I don't even know. Like 40? Has it been 40 years? I don't know. Anyways, her kids were little. Her daughter was little. She only had the one little girl when she was here, I think. Did you have just Shelby? I don't remember. So I'm just kind of randomly putting these on here. It's mostly turquoise because there's lots of turquoise. 35 years ago. I know it's a long time. Okay. So just pick in and do the Pioneer Woman again. This is a really fun project to do in the evening when you're watching TV. Something like that. So what I'm trying to do is build up my YouTube and my following. So my daughter, she's my IT person at the moment, and she is going to take this video after I make it, and she'll post it over on YouTube. And then if you hit the little bell over there and subscribe, then every time I have a video that pops up, you'll get a thing, and you don't have to watch it right then, but it'll just notify you. And the more followers I have, the more, I can get closer to 1,000. Do you think that how long do you think it'll take me to make that goal? Uh-oh, I have an incoming call I'm ignoring. It's probably someone calling me about my car warranty. I always tell them, I have a Dodge Dart. I'm surprised that's still under warranty. Click. They hang up on me. Oh, I would not want to have that job for sure. Renee, I am still cutting my bee strips. Yeah, but you're putting beads on yours. That's taking a lot longer too. You're going to have the little beads and everything on yours. Anyway, so next time you come, you'll have to pick up your USA little thing. I still have to put a hanger on the back. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm doing crafts all the time. And a lot of them I sell in my store. Some of them I just get a pile of them. So I'm going to start doing a giveaway. I don't know how often I'm going to do a giveaway. I think I should probably do it like once a month. And so yesterday I said on there, the weekend of the 18th. Perfect. So I'm going to say on my videos tomorrow, I'm going to give this away. The first person who comments wins it. And so that's kind of how I'm going to do it. I know everyone does different things. Anyway, I thought that would be really fun to do. So I'm not going to sit here and do this whole thing. I just wanted to hop on really quick and show you what I'm doing. And isn't this going to be cute? It's going to be so fun and summery. I love it. And I'll show you when I get it done. I'll pop on and show you. But I just wanted to hop on tonight and remind you, tonight is the first Tuesday of the month. And so for the month of June, or every month, we're doing, Erin Montoya will be here. And she'll be here at 6 o'clock tonight, and it's $20, and you get to get a cleansing. She cleanses each person individually, and then she does a card reading, an angel card reading, and she has such good energy, and she's so amazing, and I just love her. And you'll love her too if you ever get a chance to come. It starts at 6. We're usually out of here by 8. The limit is 15 people. And we're up to 9 so far. So if you want to come down and get cleansed and get a reading tonight at 6 o'clock, come on down. If you're in the area and can come, that would be really fun. And then the other Tuesdays of the month, I'm doing Live with Linda. Sometimes it's an auction where I'll show things that I have in my store. I do live videos periodically just to show when I redo a hearth. I have both my hearths done now in red, white, and blue because of Memorial Weekend. 4th of July is coming up, but my one hearth, I'm going to keep the red, white, and blue. The other one, I'm going to do a summer hearth. So I think I'm going to put this garland on it, and I'm going to have it all summery stuff. Little flowers and all kinds of things in spring and summer colors. I'm partial to turquoise. I love this turquoise color. That's the color I picked for my business cards, so it's really fun. Let's see. Oh, okay. I'm glad you caught me for a minute, Victoria. A fun day at work. Anyway, what happened was I'm doing that, and I pop on and I do lives, and I'll show things, and people will say, oh, how much is that? Or how much is that? And I'll tell them, they'll PM me, and then I'll be like, okay. And then they'll say, could you hold that for me? And I do that. I do that all the time. So if you see something in my store that you like, or I don't have a lot of, you can certainly let me know, and I will save it for you. What else? So I'm building my YouTube, trying to get to 1,000 people, so help me do that. Share the love, spread the love. And I'm going to be doing some more crafts today. But I'm just obsessed with these. They're so fun. They don't take any brain work. I had a couple ladies come in this morning, and they were like, what are you making? And I had just started cutting and tearing my strips. And I showed them, and they said, oh, we're not crafty. We're not crafty. And I said, are you ready? I said, watch closely. And I got out my rope, and I tied one. I go, that's it. And they're all, that's it? And it was so cute. They were like super enthused about it and everything. But I'm going to go ahead and hop off. Finish that before I come up. Laugh out loud. I have a Pioneer Woman tablecloth. Oh my gosh. Aren't you obsessed with Pioneer Woman? I love her. I have a toaster in my thing, but I have some people coming in. So I'm going to let you go, and I will hop on later. Take care. Have a good day.